Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. In this video, we are going to go over the multiple uses of the Vive PROFlex strap, the 2-in-1 leg lifter and exercise strap. So the exercises and techniques used in this video are what I use in my practice because I'm excited and proud to say this is actually my design. So let's get started. This is how you can do a calf stretch. So what I'm doing is separating the PROFlex strap, releasing that from the leg lifter position, and I'm going to put this loop right over my foot. I'm seated to the front of my chair so that I can stretch my leg out straight, keep my knee straight, and what I'm going to do is use the handles here, relax my ankle, and pull back with my hands, getting a stretch in my calf, holding it for about 20 seconds or so, and then relaxing. So I'm just pulling back, again, relaxing that ankle, pulling back with my hands, and mildly stretching my calf. So this exercise is sitting knee flexion, and what I'm going to do is assist myself in getting my knee bent with the help of the PROFlex strap. So I've opened it up out of the typical leg lifter position. What I'm going to do is put the loop of this over my foot, and I'm going to use my hands to help me bend this knee by sliding my heel backwards just like this. Now, I specifically use this with my total knee replacement patients. It really helps them in assisting them in working that knee, bending that knee, trying to get the range of motion back. So you're pulling it back, and then you'll slide it back out. You use your hands, bend that knee, and pull that foot back. So that's seated knee flexion. You can also use the PROFlex strap to stretch the muscles in the front of your thigh and hip. So what I do, just for improved safety, I will use a chair for this. I'm going to take the PROFlex strap in the open position. I'm going to place my knee on the chair just like this, and when I do this exercise, I'm going to keep my rump firm. I'm going to stay up nice and tall and kind of firm my stomach. I'm going to take the PROFlex strap and put it right over the front of my ankle. I'm going to move my hand down just a little bit. Then you pull this leg up toward your heel, up toward your buttock. You're going to hold it for 15 to 20 seconds, getting a nice mild stretch, and then you release it. The PROFlex strap can also be used for a couple of shoulder stretches. We've got to keep our shoulders mobile because of our activities of daily living, like getting dressed, doing our hair, that type of thing. So two stretches that I like to do with this. One is for internal rotation of the shoulder, and this is like reaching behind us. So let me show you how I use this. So I'm going to turn around. I'm going to take the PROFlex strap. We're going to put this hand right here. I will bring it down and let this hand grab the strap. Now I'm going to use my right hand and help pull this shoulder into a stretch. I'm going to hold for 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'm going to relax. So I'm allowing my right hand to help and assist in this stretch, just like that. The other stretch that I like to do is take the PROFlex strap. This is like I'm reaching up for the back of my head. I'm going to take this, put it over my elbow. I'm going to bring it right behind my head and pull that arm over to my right side, getting a nice stretch, holding for 15 to 20 seconds, and then relaxing. The PROFlex strap can be used to perform an exercise called the heel slide. This is a typical exercise we do on the bed for leg weakness, especially though after a total knee replacement, and we do some of this after a total hip replacement depending on the surgery. So you take the PROFlex strap, it is in the open position. You're going to loop it over your foot. So lying down, what you're going to do is use your hands to assist in bending that hip and knee, pulling the heel toward your bottom. This, again, is really good for trying to get knee range of motion back after a total knee replacement surgery. So that is performing the heel slide with the PROFlex strap. So this exercise is a hamstring stretch. This is for the muscles on the back of your thigh. So what I'm going to do, go ahead with the PROFlex strap in the open position. I'm going to put the loop over my foot. I'm going to go ahead and lie down and use the strap to help me bring this leg up. And I'm going to bring it up until I feel a stretch. I'm going to hold that stretch for 15 to 20 seconds, mild stretch, and then let that leg back down. So that is a hamstring stretch. The PROFlex strap can be used in several different ways as a leg lifter, giving you improved versatility and control over that of a standard leg lifter. Now, in the standard leg lifters, they are made of a thin aluminum rod inside, and they tend to twist quite a bit, so it makes it a little bit difficult when you go to line it up with your foot to try to lift that leg. So with the PROFlex strap, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, as you can see, it's very stable. I'm going to loop my foot just like that. I'm going to use this to lift my leg on and off of a surface. So right now I'm using it with one hand. I've got the handles right up here that I'm using. You can also use it in this position with two hands by splitting the straps apart. The other thing that I wanted to show you is that you can take this and undo the strap here at the top, widen the PROFlex strap, and use it still with two hands, but taking the strap and placing it on either side of the leg, giving you a little bit more stability when you're moving that leg on and off. You can also grab this with both straps on either side of the leg and use it with one hand as well. So that's how you use the PROFlex strap multiple ways as a leg lifter. So last but not least, I did want to mention, for those of you who struggle and may only be able to use one hand, we've got you covered. So what we've done is we've taken the two Velcro straps that come in the package, we've taken the soft handles and looped them to the opposite side handle, making this a full loop for you. So the way you would use this is you can use it as a leg lifter. You can take a hold of it with one hand, bringing it together like this and using it as your leg lifter, using either hand. Then you can let go of those handles, come up to the top here and use it as an exercise strap, like with your heel slides, with your hamstring stretches, or whatever you may use for that. Now, that is the multiple uses of the Vive PROFlex strap, the 2-in-1 leg lifter and exercise strap. Be sure to check out the comment section below for more details. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.